I am Inspector Nobert Muzondo, the provincial spokesperson for Manicland Province. I would like to confirm the arrest of 3 male adults for stock theft which was occurring in the Nyazura area, especially at Chipembe, the plots around Chipembe area. These 3 male adults are one, Ignatious Kubika, aged 46 years, of Hobhouse 2, Chikanga, Mutare, also of plot number 13, Nyawa village in Nyazura, and one Stephen Tangwena, aged 27 years, of number 31, 57, Hobhouse 1, Chikanga, Mutare. He originates from village Maria Chief Mutasa. And also one George Kazozo of village Zundiza, Chief Makon. These 3 male adults were arrested by police Chikanga after a tip-off which linked them to cases of stock theft which were happening in areas that I earlier on outlined. What happened was during the period ranging from the 3rd of October to the 18th of October, the beasts amounting to 10 were stolen using a similar method of theft which we refer to as a modus operandi. They would approach enclosed pens, and from those pens they would steal at each and every given time. They would steal 2 beasts at a time. So we have got several cases in which we are linking these accused persons. So on the 20th of October, a tip-off was received from the members of the public to the effect that these 3 accused persons were selling beef in the Chikanga area. And the police swiftly reacted to this, leading to the arrest of the 3 accused persons and recovery of beef carcass weighing about 80 kilograms. We are very thankful to members of the public for this valuable tip-off that led to the arrest of the 3 accused persons. We are hoping that as the police, we are going to unearth a number of cases and be able to link these accused persons with those cases which were occurring in this area. We also encourage members of the public, especially in Chipembe and also other areas around Manicaland, to be very vigilant when it comes to stock, because to us as Africans, stock is a very, very important component of our culture. We form what we refer to anti-stock theft committees, and also ensure that we join the neighborhood watch committee, we also join the police constabulary, and we provide the police with the tips which will allow us to solve cases of this nature. Yeah, I would say that as of now, it is a worrisome trend that stock theft remains on the increase. And as such, Zimbabwe Public Police is up to its efforts to ensure that we keep this menace. This menace is usually being manifested in the form of deboning, where you would find that criminals would approach cattle pens and slaughter them and debone. They would carry the meat away. But in this case, they did not debone. They had to carry the whole carcass, and they were selling the meat in the Chikanga area. So the prevalence, yes, we are still worried about the prevalent cases. And we have since put an operational order that is running currently as I speak with you, to ensure that we are targeting these people who are actually bent on stealing stock.
Ignatious Kubika.
Nyazura.
Around George Kazozo.
Chigaro?
1500 hours.